If you've ever stared at your bank app like, where did my money go? You're not alone. Millions of people are doing everything they can, working hard, skipping luxuries, and still barely scraping by. The truth? Budgeting on a low income isn't about cutting lattes. It's about surviving, stabilizing, and building something real. And no, this won't involve selling your furniture or living off dry cereal. In this video, I'll walk you through how to budget on a low income, step by step. Whether you're making $2,000, $3,000, or living in I get paid Friday but I'm broke by Monday territory, this is for you. No gimmicks, no shame. Just a plan that works in real life. First, let's find your real number, your take-home pay. Don't budget with your gross income, that's just a fantasy. Your net income is what actually lands in your account after taxes and deductions. That's the money you have for rent, groceries, and everything else. If your income is irregular, average the last 3 months. Write this number down where you'll see it. This isn't about shame, it's about honesty. Your net income is your starting line. Knowing it is the foundation for your entire financial plan. Don't let the number scare you, it's just data. Now you know where you are, and you can plan where to go. Facing the facts is the bravest first step. Give yourself credit for doing it. You're already ahead of the game, let's keep going. Time to track your spending. Every penny, no judgment. For 2 weeks, write down everything. Coffee, bills, snacks, subscriptions. Use a notebook, your phone, or a budgeting app. Just be consistent. Don't change your habits, just observe. Afterward, sort your expenses into categories. Housing, utilities, food, transportation, debt, personal. Add up each category. This is where you'll spot spending leaks, those little things that add up. No shame, just awareness. Maybe you're spending more on takeout or forgotten subscriptions than you realized. These aren't failures, they're opportunities to make changes. You now know exactly where your money goes. Knowledge is power. Let's use it. You need to hear this if you're living paycheck to paycheck. You've probably heard of the 50-30-20 rule. Cute idea, but let's be real. When 80% of your check is gone by rent day, that math doesn't math. So we need to go with something different. Instead, try the 70-20-10 method. 70% goes to essentials, 20% for savings and debt, 10% for wants, if you have the wiggle room. If you need to shift it to 80-15-5, do that. The point is to cover what matters while still planning for the future, even if the future starts with just $5. If your bills take up more, adjust the percentages, make it work for you. The point isn't perfection, it's progress. Focus on 3 buckets, not dozens of categories. Compare your tracked spending to this plan. Where can you shift money to savings or debt? If you're spending 95% of your income, aim to trim it. Every small change gets you closer to balance. Your budget should serve you, not stress you out. This method is simple, flexible, and realistic. You're in control now. Let's keep building. Need more structure? Meet your budgeting bodyguards. The zero-based budget. Assign every dollar a job until nothing's left unplanned. List all expenses, rent, bills, groceries, fun money, until your income minus expenses equals 0. This forces you to be intentional with every cent. Or try the cash envelope system. Withdraw cash for categories like groceries or entertainment and spend only what's in the envelope. When it's gone, it's gone. These methods help break old habits and build new ones. Combine them, if you like. Structure where you need it most. It's not about restriction, it's about control. You're the boss of your money. Let's make it work for you. Some people don't realize that when you're budgeting on a low income, fun isn't always part of the plan, and that's okay. But don't beat yourself up if you feel you need something small to stay sane. Now, here's where to cut the real waste. Unused subscriptions, overpriced phone plans, frequent takeout, impulse buys, and stuff that doesn't actually improve your life. And if rent or your mortgage is eating up your whole check, it might be time to rethink your space. If you're renting, a roommate can cut your housing costs in half. And if you own or rent a place with extra space, Renting out a room, even short-term, can bring in a little income without taking on another job. Not glamorous, but it can buy you peace of mind. Cancel anything else you don't need. Call your service providers and ask for better deals. Food is a big one. Cook at home more, plan meals, and stick to your grocery list. Brew coffee at home instead of buying it out. Small changes add up to big savings. If there's any room left in your budget, then maybe keep a little bit of joy, like a $8 Netflix plan. Otherwise, find affordable ways to bring yourself joy and have fun. Picnics, movie nights at home, free events. A successful budget is about conscious choices, not deprivation. Be creative and intentional. Life throws curveballs. Car trouble, sick days, broken appliances. That's why you need an emergency fund, your OOPS fund. It's not a luxury, it's a necessity. Start small, aim for $25, then $100. The habit matters more than the amount. Use savings from cutting Fluff. Transfer it to a separate account. Make it automatic, even if it's just $5 per paycheck. Save loose change or every $5 bill you get. Celebrate each milestone, then set a new goal. $1,000 is a huge win. It covers most emergencies. Building this fund takes time, but every dollar is a step towards security. You're creating a safety net, one small action at a time. What's one step you can take this week to start your OOPS fund? You've got this. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on mastering your money, one step at a time.